Hi, my name is Randy Fay. I'm one of the maintainers of the examples module on Drupal.org, and I wanted to share with you a very pleasant debugging experience that I had the other day, courtesy of Git. So here's what happened. The other day I went back to do a test on one of the examples in the examples module, one of the Ajax framework commands. And lo and behold, it was broken. Always a frustrating situation. Here's the page right here. This is the Ajax Framework Commands Examples page in the Ajax Examples module. And you click on this button that says Ajax Alert, and you're supposed to get a pop-up that says Alert. And I can click on it until I'm blue in the face, and I don't get any alert. Well, I knew that it worked not long ago, and I knew that nothing had changed in the module that would affect that, so it had to be something that changed in core. Thankfully, I have a great way to look for what happened in core, and I'm going to show you that. It's an implementation in Git of a classic technique called divide and conquer or binary search. It's a great debugging or troubleshooting technique. The way it works is you say, I've got a problem. Divide the problem in half, and then look in one half of the problem, see if it's there. If it is there, divide that half in half, look in one half and see if it's there, and eventually you get down to exactly where the problem is. Okay, so now Git is a marvelous version control system. Many of us use it. For core work, I use the Git mirror from git.drupalfr.org, which is a Git mirror of our CVS repository. And you probably all know that Drupal is moving to Git for its source control in the near future. So Git is the way of the future, and there's good reasons for that. Let me show you the git bisect command, which told me in just a few minutes what was wrong. So right now, we're at a situation that's broken. So now let me go here. Today is the, 28th, we'll say it's the 28th of March. I am pretty sure that this worked on the 1st of March. So I am going to go find a commit on the 1st of March. I'm just arbitrarily choosing a date. Okay. I'm going to choose that commit from March 1st at 1:12, and I'm going to check that out. Git checkout and that big long string. Okay, so now I'm back at March 1st. I've checked out the code from March 1st. Now let's see if it's broken. I'm predicting that it'll work correctly. So I'm going to refresh the page, and now I'm going to click, I should probably shift refresh the page. Now I'm going to click the alert button, and look there, it works the way it's supposed to work. Now we have the pop-up button that is supposed to be there. Okay, so now we know that that one is fine. So let's go back to the beginning. And let's start the process. This one is bad. The head version is bad. I'm going to say git bisect bad. Okay. Now I'm going to check out the one that we just did that is fine. And I'm going to say git bisect good. Now Git is now going to put me halfway between those two. And now I can go check and see if it's broken still. So it's just automatically choosing for me a good place. So now I'm going to click on the button, and it is still bad. Still bad. So let me go mark it as bad. I'm going to say git bisect bad. It says that I've got maybe 6 steps left to go. Now I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to press the alert button, and it works. So I'm going to say get bisect good. That one was good. Now I'm going to go back here, and refresh the page, and click the button. It's good. I'm going to say get bisect good. I'm going to go back to the page. I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to click the alert, and it's good. Get bisect good. It says I've only got 3 steps left to go. We'll see if it's true. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to push the button. It's good. I'm going to say get bisect good. It says I've only got 3 revisions left to test. I'm going to refresh the page, click the alert button, it's good. I'm going to say get bisect good, go back to my page, refresh, click the alert button, and it's broken. I click it and it gives me the bad behavior. So I will say get bisect bad on that one. And we are going to be there on this one. I'm going to refresh the page, click the alert. This one is bad. So I'm going to say get bisect bad, and here's the answer. This one was broken on Saturday, March 13th by patch number 716602, and now I know exactly what happened, and I can go and find out. And in fact, I did go and find out that there was an interface change in that patch. That is how you do it. Get bisect. Great tool for doing divide and conquer when you know it used to work. Thanks for listening.